Welcome back to Delicious Cravings, your go-to channel for delightful recipes to satisfy your culinary cravings. Today, we're diving into the comforting warmth of a beloved Asian favorite. It's siomai soup. Let's get cooking. To start with, we bring 6 cups of water. You don't need to wait for this to boil, just immediately add our star ingredient, 12 pieces of siomai, either store-bought or lovingly homemade. Siomai soup is a heartwarming embrace of a beloved Asian classic. It's infused with aromatic garlic, hearty vegetables, and savory chicken essence. Next, we enhance the broth with the fragrant notes of toasted garlic or freshly minced garlic, along with the chicken cube for depth of flavor. For a nutritious boost, we incorporate minced carrots and onion leeks, adding a pop of color and a crunch to every spoonful. Feel free to elevate your soup with a handful of malunggay leaves for an extra nutritional punch. As you can see, this soup is simple yet packed with healthy goodness. Now we're whipping up a scrumptious, super easy, and healthy recipe that's a breeze to follow. It's definitely a no-brainer recipe. And now it's time to drizzle sesame oil, which adds a nutty aroma, while salt, pepper, and a touch of fish sauce bring the flavors into perfect harmony. Of course, season this according to your taste. Now, for that signature silkiness, we need 1 whole egg. Just continue to beat it, then slowly pour the beaten egg into the soup, creating delicate strands that dance throughout. Let it simmer for a few more minutes before it is ready to be served. This recipe brings together simple ingredients to create a bowl of goodness that's both nourishing and soul-warming. This is definitely a comforting meal on a chilly day, a heartening remedy for the soul while gathering with loved ones. This is sure to delight your taste buds and warm your heart with every nourishing sip. Simply do the taste test if you need to adjust your seasonings. Once everything melts together beautifully, it's time to ladle this heartwarming siomai soup into bowls and savor each spoonful of goodness. And that's it. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for all the love and support I receive. This motivates me to create more delicious videos. Remember, here at Delicious Cravings, it's all about spreading love through food. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Until next time, no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.